Hearing loss often develops so gradually that many people don't notice. At Hearing First Finchley, we are here to help. Early signs include asking to repeat, increasing TV volume, or struggling to follow conversations in noise. Hearing loss isn't just about volume. It affects clarity and how your brain processes speech. Left untreated, it can lead to frustration and reduced confidence in everyday situations. A test can determine if symptoms are simply earwax buildup, which we can safely remove. Our safe removal process often restores your hearing right away. Our tests are quick, painless, and identify changes early for better long-term outcomes. Book a test at Hearing First Finchley today and take a proactive step toward protecting your quality of life.